So the long-term chart, this is not even a real long-term chart. It's a 2-year chart. The stock has had an amazing move. Some people say, why are you so worried about it? You know, it's not, you know, look where it is from where it was a year ago. But more recently, this sharp downturn seems to be signaling something. And you saw this before it happened.
Yes, so the thing with memory chip stocks is that they're cyclical. And so people are blaming Google or OpenAI, like getting out of that contract with the 40% DRAM. The consolidation, if you can see, it happened before all of this news, and it was because of buyers of memory chips were like just fed up with the high prices. Because, you know, AI demand was just crazy, and like people in PC tech communities, like they were like, we're no longer buying. So they were like already signaling that this is too high for us. And that is where the consolidation started. And then the news of Google and OpenAI kind of were the catalyst to, bam, get this triple top going down. Again, I'm a big fan of MU. We started buying back in 2024 when we started the demand going up. But now it's like, it's so too good not to take profit.
There was some scuttlebutt over the weekend about OpenAI canceling a contract with SK Hynix. I mean, it's a huge contract that kind of sparked the DRAM pricing. And I mean, do you think there's some truth to that? You say people just, some of these companies are like, we just can't pay. The prices are too high.
Yes, I mean, there is truth to that. And now the demand is now going lower, which is the direct, you know, you can see the direct impact. I'm saying it started earlier, and I will be going back in. I think the price was just a little bit too overvalued.
All right, a stock that you like is Meta. Meta got a big upgrade. Morgan Stanley, they say, listen, you know what, we're going to buy this thing. They talk about MetaClaw, buy it now. And they lowered their target, but it's still a lot higher than where it is right now. Why do you like it?
I'm a consumer. So as a business owner, I spend about $1 to $2 million in Meta ads. As a small business owner, like nothing comes close to Meta. And I'm like, if I'm spending this much on Meta, it is not going anywhere. I know its AI is the most, anyways, like it might not be the most, like it's getting people addicted, and I know all of that, but I see where the money is going, and I like buying the stocks of the companies I'm already a consumer of.
Right, and you believe it. It's helping your business.
Yes.
Coherent is a name that you're watching, right? Are you buying this yet, or you wanted to pull back a little bit? It's a little bit under the 50-day right now.
Yes, I'm wanting to buy. I want to buy at I think it has more to go down. Okay. So I'm buying on some key psychological levels. This is kind of like a physical AI layer. As all of these AI centers grow, all of these AI models need to talk to each other, and Coherent is the leader in making these AI models, GPUs, talk to each other with something called optical networking technology. And so it is an interesting addition to an AI
Where do you think it's going to pull back from the chart? So I think one of your numbers is right around 200, and then maybe 170, it's something like that?
Yeah, I'm just going off the Fibonacci and some of the key psychological levels. I can see, yep, those are the areas that I'll start like dipping my toe in and see where it goes.
Well, you definitely want to be a buyer this on this pullback.
Yes.
Let's talk about a few other names on your watch list. You know, like these are the names, I guess, we hear them almost every day. Everyone still likes them. They just haven't, you know, what's going to be the spark, you think, that turns all of them around?
Whatever that happened last March and April, do you remember how they were hammering down? They were all crashing. Everybody goes, this is a crash, everybody's going to go. I bought, and my portfolio doubled. So these are my boring stocks that I'm buying on spring sale, I call it.
I want to ask you about the just the market, the outlook on war, and just where do you think we go from here? Listen, one thing we know is that after a certain period of time, 63% of past wars, the S&P turned positive after 6 months. So in the middle of it, the beginning of it, it feels dire, it feels like the market never comes back. Just your thoughts on how long the war will continue to be a dark cloud for the market.
I mean, from what we've seen in the past, and as an Iranian, I believe there are going to be two outcomes in the next couple of months, 2 months to 6 months. One would be Iran war is going to fall off the headlines, just like did Ukraine. Like nobody talks about Ukraine war anymore. It's still ongoing. Or Iran is going to become free, which is my ideal outcome. I'm hoping about that. Maybe it won't become. But that is when the markets are going to just start, you know, disregarding the war.
Spoke a couple of weeks ago, you were optimistic. Are you as optimistic, or are you just getting a little concerned here? I know you have family there, so I don't know.
We're hopeful. Hope is the only thing that we can really have. And I'm also hopeful because the transitional leader, Reza Pahlavi, really seems to have his act together. And it's growing. It's supporters. And people in Iran are just waiting for that signal that it's safe for them to get out on the streets and start protesting. And that would be the signal also for the leader and everybody else to go back in and take Iran back from this tyrannical regime.
Kiana, thank you very much.